Start.
A warm welcome, everyone. Our project is analyzing social web for child well-being. Myself, Tejashwini, and my batchmates are Kavya, Aishwarya, Ashamal. Under the guidance of Hanmant Reddy Sir, Principal Raimak. Introduction. Nowadays, parents take number of different steps to monitor their children behavior and interactions, mainly on social media sites. The main agenda of our project is to know the parents what the child is intended to do on social media sites. In the present days, parents take number of steps for controlling their children behavior and interactions. To do all this stuff, parents require their children to provide their passwords on different accounts and devices. In order to make parents' work easy, we use this technology. Technology plays a central role in the way child connects and engage with unknown friends. Controlling screen time is seen as less of a problem among children themselves, and nowadays there is a no good balance between screen time and doing other things. Next, coming to system architecture. System architecture is a conceptual model that defines the structure, behavior, and more views of a system. A system architecture consists of system components and the subsystems developed. System system design. The purpose of this design is to plan the solution of a problem specified by the designer with a foundation from which more sophisticated methods can be applied. Here, dataset will be dumped into a data pre-processing. Data pre-processing using Navi-based classifier algorithm for the detection of rumors or comments. I identified for identifying the bullied information. Next, coming to system design. As same as the system architecture, system design the increasing importance of software running on generic platforms has enhanced the discipline of software engineering. Object oriented analysis and design methods are becoming the most widely used methods for computer system designs. The UML has become standard language in object oriented analysis and design. It is widely used for modeling software systems and is increasingly used for high designing non-software systems and organizations. Data will be raw data will be sent to pre-processing using Navy-based algorithm as the trained model to check whether it's bullying or not or to predict the word. Coming to sequence diagram. Sequence diagram. This is a type of interaction diagram. It describes how and in what order a group of objects work together. These are also called event diagrams. Trained data set will be the data set send text data will be tested and trained. Sending text data using Navy based algorithm. Methodology. System requirements, software requirements, hardware requirements, non-functional requirements, and functional requirements. Functional requirements. The function system requirements describe the system function in detail, its inputs and outputs, exceptions, and so on. Non-functional requirements are not directly concerned with the specific functions delivered by the system. Alternatively, they may define constraints on the system such as capabilities of input-output devices and the data representation used in the system interfaces. Software requires Python, Anaconda, Windows. Languages used front-end HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, backend Python, database SQLite 3. Hardware requirement processor Intel Core i7, memory 60 GB RAM, ITB hard disk drive, mouse, keyboard, etc.
Methodology. Data collection, which collects the data and pre-process it. After processing, it will future extraction, and from future extraction to model building. It builds the model and classification building and non-building, and it will compute the accuracy precision. Yes.
Now the code explanation. The coding process is done in Jupyter Notebook. We have imported pandas. We have installed pandas because we can manipulate data. Hence, then we have given some set of text messages for label bullying with respect to negative words and positive words. Then we have given frame by which the rows and columns part are taken. Then data pre-processing part is taken in which all the data given the above data frame are accessed and they have been separated with X and Y categories. X is considered as 0 and Y as 1. They take references with good and bad words. Next we have SVM linear. It separates the data into classes, algorithm, line or hyperplane. The sklearn import library and supports a linear kernel by which the data is stored, and then next SVM radial, which is used for vector machine classification. If exactly predicts the accuracy score achieved, then we have decision tree. From sklearn, we import decision tree classifies. From sklearn matrix, we'll import accuracy score. Then decision tree classifies shows the entire accuracy from library values. Binary values which will predict the scores accordingly binary values. Then we have Navy base in which import sklearn for Navy base. Then for sklearn matrix. For accuracy score, then we print for all these by which we get and values predicting. Algorithm will predict with its accuracy range and forms a classification. Then we give an input to the message as with the hashtag property which predict values accordingly. Then we import VP class and import pandas and CSV. They give the inputs for title background by which we send mail to API. We get credentials and input them. The customer key, the customer secret access key, every input is being displayed. Then finally we install 3P by which when run, if we install, we'll display the required output. And then here at the end we will get one, we have to give one input. Let's wait a second. Here we have to enter a message. We have to run all these shells separately, one by one. Then we have to install pip, 3P pip.
This is the user's first page. First, we have to register here. Then we have to enter a message. If we give any negative words, then it will predict negative. It will show as bad. If we give as good words, then it will predict as good. Then we have here, if we enter at Modi or any type of words, then we have to click on get tweets. Then we have to browse the files. From the data sets, we have to take the given name, and then we have to see Twitter abuse. Here, it's a good word, so it is predicting as good.
Asha,
Uh,
slide is not open.
Here we have to give at Modi, as we have given earlier that at Modi as the message. Then we have to click on get tweets. Then we have to browse the files from at Modi. Then we need to open it. Then we have to click on Twitter abuse. So if the word is negative, it will show as negative. If it is positive, then it will show as positive. It will predict as good or bad. Then we need to enter message here. If we click on she is bad, negative. If we give negative word, then it will show as negative. We have to click on predict. It's showing. It will predict as good. This is it.
Conclusion. Internet crimes. Nowadays, internet crimes have been very dangerous because victims are continuously being hunted and there is a little possibility of escape. Cyberbullying is one of the most critical internet crimes, as the research has demonstrated critical impact on the victims. The method of implementation using KERAS and helps in achieving precise results. Now, this can help us, the user, by preventing them and becoming victims has a harsh consequences of cyberbullying. The methodology of ours can come useful in handling crises and can even be enhanced to provide full-time support. These are the references.
Okay, fine. Stop recording.